Today we are going to discuss about 8th zoology, unit 1, microorganisms. Microorganisms are too small and minute structure. The outer surface of the body is covered within a cilia or flagella or pseudopodia. In a surrounding, there are 5 divisions of microorganisms are there: algae, protozoa, fungi, bacteria and virus. These are an microorganism. They are very too small. They are in a naked eye, only seen with the help of microscope. Now in this chapter you have to discuss about protozoa. Protozoa, the study of protozoa is called protozoology. All the protozoan organisms are including single celled organisms. Only given in your chapter the structure of amoeba. Amoeba includes protozoa includes the kingdom Protista. Example, amoeba. Only structure only you have to discuss about in this chapter. All the protozoans are found in lakes, ponds, oceans and even living being also. They range from 2 to 200 microns. They locomote with the help of cilia, flagella, pseudopodia. Cilia in presence in a paramecium. Flagella is present in a euglena. Pseudopodia is present in a amoeba. In this chapter you have to discuss about structure of amoeba. Amoeba is an unicellular animal. It is covered by a cell membrane. Inside the cytoplasm there are present in a food vacuole, nucleus and contractile vacuoles. The nucleus there are surrounded by a cell membrane. Inside the cytoplasm, food vacuole, nucleus and contractile vacuole. Food vacuole store the food and utilize the energy. Then contractile vacuole to help of to remove the excretory part of the body. The outer surface of the body is look like a finger-like structure. This is called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is present only in a amoeba. Help in a locomotion. Is look like a finger-like structure. Then next topic, all the microorganisms are divided into beneficial organisms. Few microorganisms are gave a beneficial organisms. Some harmful causes for a plant, animal and human body. Only uses are given in your chapter. Then the next chapter is harmful organisms are given. Uses of microorganisms. We obtained from antibiotic, vaccines. These are uses. Antibiotic is a substance that produced the living organisms. Penicillium notatum, Penicillium chrysogenum. It is an example. This is used to treat diphtheria and tetanus. Once again, antibiotics. For the first antibiotics discovered by Alexander Fleming, Penicillium, example Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum. This Penicillium notatum is extracted from fungi. Fungi is Penicillium fungi. Okay, the next chapter is vaccines. Vaccines are substance produced in a dead or weakened microbes. The first vaccine are discovered by Edward Jenner. He discovered smallpox vaccines. Example, MMR vaccine, PCG vaccine. MMR means measles, mumps, rubella. PCG vaccine to cure tuberculosis. Once again, vaccines are discovered by Edward Jenner. These substances are extracted from the dead or weakened microbes. The first vaccine is discovered by Edward Jenner. He discovered a smallpox vaccination. Example, MMR vaccine, PCG vaccine. MMR means measles, mumps, rubella. PCG vaccine to cure tuberculosis. The next use is nitrogen fixation. Rhizobium bacteria to fix the soil in a leguminous group of plants to fix the atmospheric nitrogen to increase the growth of a plant. Microorganisms are used in a industry and daily life. Industry, sewage industry, it is used in a sewage industry, production of biogas, production of alcohol and wine, tanning, letting. Once again, it is used in a industry, in a sewage industry. Sewage industry in a wastewater treatment, only used in a wastewater treatment, and production of biogas. Then production of alcohol and wine. Then next, tanning and letting. Tanning are used in a leather industry. Then in a daily life, they are used in a microorganisms are used in a making a bread, preparation of curd in human intestine. In daily life, making a microorganisms are used in a bread, preparation of curd, then in human intestine. The next topic is harmful microorganisms. Harmful microorganisms are cause diseases. Some diseases are given in your chapter. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is spread through the air. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is a bacterial disease. It spread through the air. And persistent cough, this is an symptoms in the body. Then PCG vaccine is to cure the tuberculosis. Once again, tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is an bacterial infection. It is spread through the air. This is a symptom. Persistent cough, continuous cough is an symptoms of tuberculosis. PCG vaccine is to be cure tuberculosis. The next disease, cholera. Vibrio cholera is caused by cholera disease. This is an bacterial infection spread through the house flies. Vomiting, dehydration. This is an symptoms of cholera. Cholera vaccine to be cure cholera. Once again, cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera. This is a bacterial infection through the houseflies. Vomiting, dehydration is an symptoms of cholera disease. The anti-cholera vaccines to be cure cholera disease. The next disease, common cold. This is very common in the environment. Most of them should be affecting children. Influenza is caused by influenza virus. This common cold spread through the air. running nose is an symptoms of common cold. Then isolation of a patient. Isolation means என்னது தனிமைப்படுத்திக்கிறது. அப்படி இருந்தால் common cold வந்து cure ஆயிடும். The next disease is an rabies disease. It is caused by virus. That name is Rhabdoviridae. Rabies is caused by Rhabdoviridae. It is spread through the animal bite. Fever to swallow is an symptoms of viral disease. Anti-rabies vaccine is to be cure rabies disease. Once again, rabies is caused by Rhabdoviridae. It is spread through the animal bite. Fever to swallow is an symptoms of in this disease. Anti-rabies vaccine is to be cure rabies disease. The next, amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery is an protozoan disease. It is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. This disease spread through the food and water. Severe diarrhea and blood stools is an symptoms of amoebic dysentery. Proper sanitation is the best way to control the amoebic dysentery. Once again, amoebic dysentery is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. It is spread through the food and water. Severe diarrhea and blood stools. This is an symptoms of amoebic dysentery. Proper sanitation is an best way to control amoebic dysentery. The next disease, malaria. Malaria is an protozoan disease. It is caused by Plasmodium malaria or Plasmodium or have a 4 species are there. Plasmodium is only species name. Then it is spread through the female Anopheles mosquito. Chill and high fever is an symptoms of malaria. Anti-malarial drugs are used to cure malarial disease. Once again, malaria is caused by Plasmodium. This is an protozoan disease. Female Anopheles mosquito spread through the air. Then chill and high fever is a symptoms of malaria. Then anti-malarial drugs is could cure malarial disease. Today we are completing microorganism chapter. We will see in a next session. Thank you.